Hey guys, this is Amanda. Today we're going to make linguine with clams. This is a dish that you'll find in so many restaurants, but it's incredibly easy and quick to make at home. So let's go over the ingredients.
Go to foodbyamanda.com for the full recipe. You're going to need some parsley, clams, olive oil, white wine, garlic, pepper flakes, butter, and linguine pasta. In a large pot filled with water, sprinkle a generous amount of salt and bring it to a boil. Add the linguine and cook about 2 minutes before al dente based on the package instructions. In a large sauté pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Heat the oil until hot but not smoking. Sauté the garlic and pepper flakes for 1 minute. Add white wine and cook for about 1 minute. Place all the clams into the pan and cover it with a lid. Cook the clams for about 5 to 8 minutes, just until they open. Even though I'm using frozen clams here, but it's always better to use fresh clams from your local market. Add all the finely chopped parsley. And then add all the drained linguine pasta. I'm also adding half a cup of pasta water into the pan. Pasta water will help to thicken the sauce. At last, throw in the butter. Butter will give the sauce an amazing flavor. Cook the pasta until al dente and has absorbed most of the liquid. Season with salt and pepper. That's it. It's such a quick and simple dish to make. I love linguine with clams, and clams are also one of my favorite seafood. Remove the pasta from the heat and transfer to a serving dish immediately. As I mentioned, this is a dish that you'll find in so many restaurants, but you wouldn't imagine that it's so easy to make at home. And remember, fresh seafood always tastes the best. Please give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!